Today, let's continue with a glow effect on canvas for my botanicals, and I want to start with a amber gold as the glow. Also, if you have been wondering why you don't see my face, well, there's nothing wrong with my face, but apparently if I do not shoot any intros and just start right away on the canvas, you guys stick longer. And my YouTube, it needs some shoe. It needs some reviving. So everything is damp, evenly damp, and I want to start in the center with a iridescent pale gold by Tree Art. And these colors are very transparent, so it's quite hard to work with them. And the reason why I don't paint the canvas black first is because I want to scrape, and if I start with the lighter colors first, so the glow effect, without any black under it, then that works. See, this is very transparent. That's okay. And now around this, I want to use a golden yellow. But this will make everything more orangey. You see? That will have an amazing glow. I went quite off-center on this one, that's okay. So around this I want to use a transparent gold oxide. Blending that in as well. That's beautiful, right? Now I'm quite scared to go over or around this with, with the black. Just create a bigger border around this. Now I decided to blend it with the big brush because it just wasn't blending that well. Let's wet this. Just everywhere. And start scraping. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. It's beautiful. Just look at that. Okay, I think that's gorgeous. So I want a flower coming from here somewhere. Let's go with interference gold. This one is on fire. Let's go right in the center. Oh wow, I love this color palette. It's so stunning. Alright, just like in the last two paintings, I wanna let it dry for just like 5 minutes or something, and then I'm gonna continue creating a flower. Okay, back again, and now it is time to create a flower. I can really enjoy it when colors are working out. I would just use, yeah, the same colors. Maybe add a little bit of black. Further, let's just use the same colors as I used in this center here. Definitely want one leaf going there, and then probably one here. This one as well. Let's not do too much. Yes, this is gorgeous. That orange is in the white up there. I love it. Bring one here. Different kind of flower. Do it again. Really happy with this. Don't really like this up here. Let's just make sure to cover that. Now this is quite a different one, isn't it? I do want to bring one leaf up there. Definitely feel like something is missing. So I will leave here this bottom part alone. I will just work here a little more. Yes, I really love that. Maybe you guys don't, but this has such a great angle. Now the question is, do I want to break this up? I think I do. Now let's bring this there. Yes, I think that it does make a part of the composition. Honestly, I think this is it. I need to let this dry. But wow, is this one on fire or what? I'll be back. Here you go, the final end result. like a golden hour. So vibrant, but also quite neutral. This here, my favorite part with the scrapings, and here that interference gold together with this line. I can stare at this piece for hours. Next week, I will make the last one of this glow series. I don't have the true title yet, but that will be like a midnight blue lilac piece. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week Saturday.